Hi, I'm Barb Clymer, the Communications Coordinator for the Bethlehem Area School District. The Bethlehem Area School District began its solar journey in 2010, partnering with Tangent Energy Solutions to secure over $1.8 million in grants from the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development. The grants, combined with a power purchase agreement, allowed for the installation of solar arrays at 5 of our district's 22 schools with zero out-of-pocket expenses for our community. The 5 solar arrays total 1.6 megawatts of power and generate approximately 10% of the district's total electric consumption. 3 ground mount arrays, a roof mount array, and a parking lot canopy array were installed. One of the elementary arrays was partially installed within a detention basin to minimize athletic field impacts, while at the other 2 elementary schools, solar panels generate enough electricity to completely power each entire school. As a school district, our primary mission is education. So, as an added benefit of the solar arrays has been the integration of solar technology into our classroom. Solar panel information, savings calculators, and live data from the arrays are available to provide amazing learning opportunities for all our students in all grade levels. At the Bethlehem Area School District, we look forward to continuing our solar journey by serving as a role model for our students and providing continued physical and environmental stewardship in our community. We thank Tangent Energy Solutions and the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development for this opportunity.